Hey everybody, Chris from Big Tex Ordnance, and it's your weekly update, and it's Labor Day weekend. So first up, we've got 15% off site-wide savings on most products available. Also, there's some really killer deals in the clearance section with specifically marked down items from Benelli. Let's see, 1110. There's some Vertex stuff that's marked down and a bunch of other stuff that we need to get out to get room, to make room for the upcoming holiday season. So check out the clearance section on the website, 15% off on most items on the rest of the website. So let's dive into it. First thing we've got today, new from HUXWRX, hopefully we still got them by the time this video airs, is the new suppressor sauce, suppressor cleaning kits. Really cool, two-stage setup, one packet. You use the activator, you use the packet, drop your suppressor down into the handy dandy tubes slash packaging that they come in, and clean it, rinse it, put it in the other with the other packet. Really neat. We'll be doing a video this week at some point and actually cleaning a couple suppressors to see how that process actually goes. So stay tuned for that video later on this week. Next up, brand new product that goes with one of our most popular current products is the ANNEX Defense Garmin Zero protective case. If you're like me and are always misplacing stuff, you got these bright orange ones as well. They're just a soft rubber molded piece that protects your Garmin Zero from the elements, from drops. And if you pick up the one that has the Sunshade in it built in, you'll be able to keep the sun off your screen when you're on the range shooting. So really cool new products from ANNEX Defense. Those go great with the Garmin Zero chronographs. Take them wherever you got, or whenever you go shoot. These are phenomenal to keep on building your data on your loads. Check them out on the website. Next up, we have the Sig Romeo X Pro 6 MOA reflex sight. So another really cool redesigned optic from Sig. They're killing it on these new optics that they've dropped this year. This one already has your irons built in on the back for backup sights, mounts to the Pro footprint. Really cool optic that just came out from Sig. Last but not least, today, I think we featured them a couple weeks ago, but we didn't go too much detail. Paragon Weapon Light Cleaner. The little 5-pack, throw it in your gun bag, throw it on your duty belt, throw it in your car, throw it in your fanny pack. Weapon cleaning wipes. Super handy for getting that dirt and grime and carbon off the lens of your weapon mounted flashlight. That is it for today's weekly update. Once again, check out the website, 15% off Labor Day. Sale ends Monday night at midnight. So get on there, check out the clearance items, check out the savings, check out these new products from ANNEX Defense, Sig, and HUX if we still got these. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, check us out.